All right, hello. It is Thursday night at about 6 o'clock. No, Wednesday night, 6 o'clock, day before the final. And I got asked about radicals on the final, and there are three radical questions. I didn't cover them much in the review because I figured that was the most recent chapter, and so we'd be okay with it. But that being said, if you want some extra practice, I have three questions in this video for you to try. So as always, I would pause the video and try and simplify this one before continuing with the answer. Okay, so the trick is just if you think of radical square root of 75, we can break that into the perfect square of 25 and the non-perfect square of 3. 25 times 3 is 75. Similarly with 48, that should split, I think, to 16 in radical 3. That was multiply up to 48, and 16 is a perfect square. Okay, and the point of this is now these are all radical 3's. So we have 5 radical 3 plus 4 radical 3 minus 1 radical 3. Right, so this would be 9 minus 1. This is like an invisible 1. So we have 8 radical 3 is our simplified version of this question. Okay, next one is just to multiply with radicals. So again, I would pause the video and try this. All right, so this is really just FOIL. So I'm going to multiply the first two together, which aren't radicals at all. But then I'm going to do 2 times radical 5, which I can't really do. I'm just going to write it as 2 radical 5, negative 1 times radical 5. And then radical 5 times radical 5 would be positive radical 25. Okay, so now we just got to do cleanup. These are like terms, so 2 minus 1 would become positive 1 radical 5. I'm not going to write the 1 there. And then square root of 25 is 5. And then the final step, negative 2 and 5 makes 3. This one simplifies to 3 radical 5. All right, last one is a division one of two radicals. So again, I encourage you to pause the video and try it before continuing. All right, so the trick is on a division one, I would always make it into one big radical first to see if that helps. Okay, and on this particular one, it's super helpful. 96 divided by 6 is 16. So this is going to become like 16 over 1. And then x to the fifth and x is going to cancel out one of the x's. X to the fifth looks like that, and then you have an x and they cancel out, so you have x to the fourth. Okay, and the denominator is now just 1, so dividing by 1 doesn't do anything, kind of boring. And then now we just square root this. So square root of 16 is 4. And then here it divides evenly, which is nice. This exponent divides with the index of 2, so you end up with an x squared. So it comes out nice and pretty to 4x squared. Okay, that's it for what radical stuff is on the final. Thanks for watching and good luck.